What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be changing up the format just a little bit. In the last mini videos, we've done a lot of really expensive updates. The smart cap kitchen, the smart cap itself, the deck system. There's just a lot of these things that are incredibly expensive and maybe a little overpriced. And I wanted to not only go with a budget-friendly option for today's video, but it's also, in my opinion, the best upgrade available for my specific use case. This is the Hooke Road Tailgate cover. Went with this for a few options, but the main one being is they say that it's food safe, and that will be great in case I ever want to use it as a cutting board. But it also looks really good. It's functional, and so far it has exceeded my expectations. This is going to be a really short video, fast install. There's 10 bolts and 2 screws, and then you're going to be ready to go. Now, before we get started, let's take a look at this. And right out of the box, I am quite impressed, actually. It looks a lot nicer in person than it did in any of the photos I saw online. All of your holes are countersunk and very precise. And you have these little lips for cup holders. Now, there are some more expensive options on the market that you can have actual full-size cup holders, and even a couple that have storage capabilities inside the tailgate. But I think for me, this is going to work out quite nicely. Here are all of the tools that you're going to need to install this. They supply you with 10 new bolts. Those are going to replace your factory bolts. You'll have 2 new screws. Those are going to go in your corners, and because of that, we are going to have to drill a little pilot hole. And you have 12 washers, and all we're going to need is a T30 for the factory screws, and then a 4mm Allen for the new ones. Like I said, this is going to be such a fast and simple install, so we're not going to film everything. Mainly, I just want to show y'all what it looks like and give you kind of an overview of the install. So the first thing we're going to do is get all of our hardware and put it up for future use, because we need to pull the factory bolts off of the tailgate. So we're going to take our T30 and our drill. This does come with some really simple instructions. I'm not going to follow them exactly. I'm going to do it the way that I think we need to do it. So we're going to pull off all of these. At the bottom, that's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then we have 4 more up here. And these are the only 2 we're going to be removing if we're using our tailgate platform as a template. So let's get to it. Fast and easy. That took all of 30 seconds. So that's all of our bolts off of the tailgate. And now we're going to grab our new hardware as well as the tailgate table, set it up here, and then we're going to start putting in the new bolts. Set our tailgate table down and make sure my holes are lined up. Everything looks pretty close. I'm going to get everything lined up and started. I did read several comments from people saying that the screws were poor quality and that they broke off during the installation. And you know, they don't look like the nicest screws. But we solved that with just a little pilot hole. So when we're done with this, we're just gonna get a bit out and do a pilot hole. So I'll be honest, I had mixed or even low expectations for this thing. It's just such a budget-friendly option, and the photos and things I saw online were okay. I just wasn't crazy about it, but in person, wow, this looks very nice. We have 1 hole on each corner. We are going to get a drill bit out, and we're going to put 2 little pilot holes in those corners. And then we are done. I'm going ahead with a 7/64 drill bit. This is going to be just a little bit smaller than our new screws. Typical metal screw. All right, and just like that, in under an hour, we were able to get the tailgate cover installed. super fast and easy. Anybody with a basic set of hand tools can throw this in probably in like 15 or 30 minutes. I, of course, had to make this video, film some beauty clips and change angles and stuff like that. And right out of the box, I'm really happy with the way that this thing looks and feels. There's some fantastic options on the market at higher price points, but for my use case, I think having this raised platform, just the flat surface with a little bit of grip texture, I think it's going to be a good use case for me personally. I'm on the road a lot, I film videos all over the place, and so I always have something on the tailgate. I'm always using it. And there's some other options that have some soft pads and some cool designs and things like that, but I'm never going to be crawling in and out of it, so I don't need it to be soft. I really just need it to be flat and functional, and it does its job. If you have a deck system, comes out without any hindrance, nice and easy. So if you've made it this far in the video, I hope you got a little use out of this. Maybe you got to take a closer look at the Hooke Road tailgate table. Maybe you are interested in picking one up for yourself, or maybe you're just comparing it against some of the other admittedly awesome options on the market. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.